Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, I have a small business with 2 employees, and even though I've had employees for a few months now, I still have anxiety when payday comes around. Now, it's not so much about the money. It's more about the fact that it takes so much and a lot of patience, which I don't always have. It used to take me 3 hours on the first of every month to plan out payroll. So eventually, I decided it was time to check out if there were any payroll options that could help me out. So after researching and testing out some options, I thought I'd share what I found in a video for you guys, in case you're in the same boat as me. So in this video, we'll be talking about Gusto, the online payroll service I ended up choosing. So throughout the rest of the video, we'll be talking about Gusto's features. We'll go over their cost, what it's like using Gusto, what plans they have, what they do really well, and what they could improve on. Now, I want to start by saying that based on my experience, I think that Gusto is really only suitable for smaller to medium-sized companies or startups. So if you're looking for something for a larger business, or if you have a ton of different contractors or subcontractors, then you might need a more advanced program like ADP, which is able to handle businesses and facilities with larger and more complicated payroll needs. Now, if at any point while you're watching this and decide you'd like to check out Gusto, I was able to get my hands on a special affiliate link that I left down in the description. If you use the link, you'll get a discount that you won't find if you go right to Gusto's website. So, that being said, what is Gusto? Well, Gusto is actually a relatively new company. They started in 2012, and at this time, they're ranked number 1 in the US for human resources, according to SimilarWeb. And they don't just do payroll. They can do other things too, like manage health insurance deductions, employee benefits, and retirement fund contributions, just to name a few. They also organize W-2s for your employees and 1099s for your contractors, which are pretty important documents they'll need come tax time. Now, signing up for Gusto is pretty straightforward. You plug in your company details, pick a plan, and pay. That's it. Then you can start using Gusto right away. Now, if you're new to payroll, I'd recommend giving yourself some time to get familiar with the platform before payday comes around. So now that we have an idea of what they are, how much do they cost? Well, they offer 3 plans to choose from. With each option, you'll pay a flat monthly fee for the plan, and for each employee you do payroll for monthly. So their first plan is called the Simple Plan. For $40 a month and an additional $6 for each employee on the payroll, you get the full payroll service, including those end-of-year W-2s and 1099s. Employees have the option of accessing their own profile with their payment information, basic hiring and onboarding for new employees, an employee benefits calculator to factor in things like 401ks, a Gustoed brokered health insurance provider to help you set up health insurance for your employees, if that's something you're looking to do. And you can integrate your existing accounting software into Gusto, like QuickBooks, for example. Now, the next plan they offer is called the Plus Plan, and this one sets you back around $60 a month and $9 per employee. It offers you everything from the Simple Plan and adds next-day direct deposits, the ability to access multi-state payroll, a paid time off calculator, a time clock, time and project tracking, and anonymous employee surveys for feedback from your workers. There is a chance to upgrade for priority support and extra HR resources, but that does run an extra $6 for each employee every month. Now, their final plan is the Premium Plan. This plan runs $135 a month and $16.50 for each employee. Here you get everything from the Plus Plan along with priority HR support, compliance alerts, full service payroll migration, and you may be eligible for the R&D tax rebate if your company works in development, design, improvement of products or processes, formulas, or software. And if you operate your business solely through outside contractors, there is a contractor-only plan for $0 a month and $6 for each contractor. And like I mentioned a little earlier, if you want to check out Gusto and get a little bit of a discount, be sure to use the link I left down in the description. Okay, now that we've talked a bit about what they do and what they offer, let's get into some things I think could improve. Now, when it comes to what I didn't like about Gusto, I have one complaint. Now, I'm always on the run, so I was planning to do some of my payroll work on my phone. But as I learned the hard way, the service isn't really mobile friendly, so I recommend using it on your computer. Now, while that is my main complaint, let's get into what I did like and why they might be a good option for you. So out of all the soul searching I've done with other payroll services, I honestly think that Gusto is one of the easiest to use. I found it really easy to learn, and I'm just an everyday person with no payroll experience. So if you're new to this kind of thing like I was, or if you're looking to simplify payroll for your business, then Gusto can help you on both fronts. So the million-dollar question, would I recommend Gusto? Well, if you're a small to medium-sized business, or if you only deal with just a few contractors on top of your regular team each month, then yes, I'd say Gusto would be a great fit. Now, if you're a large business or work with a lot of individual contractors or subcontractors every month, I would recommend a different platform like ADP or something designed to handle the payroll for larger operations. Overall, they're easy to use. And if you're managing payroll by yourself, then I'd recommend checking them out to save yourself some time and headaches. And that does it for today's review of Gusto. I hope this video has helped you get an idea if they're a good fit for you. If you're new to the world of payroll like I was, or are looking for a way to make the process a lot easier, then I'd definitely be sure to check them out. And if you liked the video and found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. And just as a reminder, if you want to try out Gusto, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description down below to get a bit of a discount you won't find directly on their website. Now, as always, I love hearing from you guys. So if there's anything else you'd like to have answered, be sure to drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.